Yo back, Goliath's turf. Putting poor people first, it now go pretty. Because the big guys no give the youths a helping and them now no pity. General, it now go pretty. Well,
when man hungry are the worst
a hungry man is a hungry
can't
man.
find no food.
And tomorrow, I like them a deal with us.
But not the boiling sun. And tomorrow to everything boiled down.
Well, if me wake up tomorrow and can't find me dinner, something a go Gwaan, something a go Gwaan.
Police is the taxi with the passenger them in. Something a go Gwaan. Me general.
Well, if them kidnap me, pick me from school as a beginner, what me can't come, something a fi Gwaan.
What is the country gone to? No more you Jamaica. Something a fi Gwaan. Yo,
cause if them want lock me up, tell them fi handcuff me now. Me a defend the people, somewhere somehow. Me no want go jail again, but me prepare. Cause them a try fi box the food out how we plate.
people a ball every day them broke. All them a wonder and a search of his step it up. Enough of them a stretch it $1,000 bill till on the 5,000 bus, and it still can't make it up.
Yo, well if me a run a boat and can't afford a $250 aisle, can't buy no anything the youth show me smile. Them tax all the yam the farmer dig from just aisle. Something a go Gwaan.
Yo, cause when them run the eagle as them up the street and the picnic get hungry can't find food for eat, and them thing them make me can't start to beat, and the big guys stun them make like them no seat.
Criminal laws and criminal class living, but me wrong and them criminal class. Them locking up the youth and double DVD. Them same one thief it watch it on TV.
Them times so hard and Babylon them so evil. Look how them system a pressure poor people.
It's a dog yam dog world we live in a,
but on the Almighty I and I believe in a.
Well if me wake up tomorrow and can't find me dinner, something a go Gwaan, something a go Gwaan.
Police is the taxi with the passenger them in a. Something a go Gwaan. Something a
well if them kidnap me, pick me from school as a beginner, what me can't come, something a fi Gwaan.
What is the country gone to? No more you Jamaica. Something a fi Gwaan. Yo,
cause if them want lock me up, tell them fi handcuff me now. Me a defend the people, somewhere somehow. Me no want go jail again, but me prepare. Cause them a try fi box the food out how we plate.
people a ball every day them broke. All them a wonder and a search of his step it up. Enough of them a stretch it $1,000 bill till on the 5,000 bus, and it still can't make it up.
Yo, well if me a run a boat and can't afford a $250 aisle, can't buy no anything the youth show me smile. Them tax all the yam the farmer dig from just aisle. Something a go Gwaan.
Cause when them run the eagle as them up the street and the picnic get hungry can't find food for eat, and them thing them make they can't start to beat, and the big guys stun them make like them no seat.
Criminal laws and criminal class living, but me wrong and them criminal class. Them locking up the youth with double DVD. Them same one thief it watch it on TV.
Them times so hard and Babylon them so evil. Look how them system a pressure poor people.
It's a dog yam dog world we live in a,
but on the Almighty I and I believe in a.